Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. This is Najir Ahamed and it's an intro video about me and my web agency called WebBant. So I am a web developer working on Fiverr as a level 2 seller. I will upload videos on website creation, bug fixing, clients projects, tips and tricks about website and freelancing and many more things. And videos will upload into two languages. One is Bangla and another one is English. So let me show you on which channel video will upload. So on this channel called WebBant, I will upload videos on Bangla, and on this channel called Najir Ahamed, I will upload videos in English. So you can watch videos as per you need. So let me introduce my WebBant's website. So you can see this is the website of my agency, and if you need anything or if you need to contact with us, you can just email us and we will get back to you very soon. And we have Facebook's accounts as well. You can see this is the Facebook page of our agency and this is the Facebook groups of our agency, and I will provide all the links in description below, so you can collect the links from there as well. And I hope my videos will help you a lot and it will be helpful for your career as well. So stay with us. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.